Hi guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can create a new tab group in the Safari browser on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the Safari web browser. Next, touch and hold on the tabs button at the bottom. Touch and hold. And from the pop-up menu, we're going to tap on Move to Tab Group. And in here, you can tap on New Tab Group from the menu. So tap on that. That will allow you to create a new tab group. So you can say tab G1, so tab group 1, and then tap on Move. So that is one of the ways how you can create a tab group. Another way to do it is you tap on the tabs button at the bottom, and then tap on the drop down. In here, in the tab groups drop down, you can tap on New Empty Tab Group, and then in here we can say tab G2, and then tap on Saved. So that is another way how you can create a tab group. Tab group will allow you to hold a number of different tabs in Safari. That way you can organize your tabs. So if you are researching on a particular topic, if you're researching, say, on a handbag, you want to buy a handbag, you want to open up all the tabs relating to the handbags, so that later on, when you go back to your Safari browser, you can quickly open up all the tabs that you have been researching on the handbag. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.